Hey G Squad, welcome back on Sold Up. Is it worth it? So for today's episode, we got this cool motor here, and basically what this is a universal fit steering wheel that's used for your car. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Carpass. So first thing I should open up to show you guys what the product looks like. So once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So if you can see, the material that's on here definitely looks and feels really nice. It does feel really soft and very smooth. They do mention material that they use on here is like a leather material. And if you guys can see, the one that we got right here is like a black and mint color. They do have this available in different colors as well. So if you guys do want a different color, you do want to do research to see which one you prefer. But you see the inside, they have this styrofoam inside that you probably want to take out. So once you guys do take it out, you guys can just stick this onto your car. So that's pretty much everything that's on the product. Let me just go set it up to show you guys what the product looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so the lighting on here is not that great, but let me show you guys how to install it. So all you need to do is just kind of like go like this, and just go through the side, kind of open up the back part. Try not to hit the horn or anything when you guys do install it. Just slowly take your time. Eventually it should fit inside. So here is basically what the car steering wheel cover looks like when you guys do set it up. It definitely looks and feels pretty nice. It does have this very nice material on here that I believe is like a leather material that feels really soft and very smooth. But supposedly the material they use on here is like a leather material as well. And when you guys grip it, it actually feels really nice. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. Alright, welcome back guys. So next up, we test the product and definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. So like I mentioned, for this product, it should be universal, so you should be able to put it for almost any type of car. If your steering wheel is not like a circle shape, then most likely it will not fit. But if you guys do have a steering wheel that's like a circle shape, then you should be fine. But if you see, once we set it up, it definitely looks pretty nice. So that way you can keep your steering wheel clean and also hand clean when you guys actually use it. And one thing that I do realize or notice when I do use the steering wheel cover is the fact that when you guys kind of feel it and kind of move it around, it does have like that anti-slip material on here, so that way when you guys are using it, your hand won't slip off as easy. And supposedly when you guys do put on the cover, it's supposed to help you guys keep like the steering wheel like cool, so that way it's not as hot compared to when you guys do touch the steering wheel during like the hotter days or like summertime and etc. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it should work or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality universal steering wheel cover that has a similar design as this one right here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously with those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.